You've been knocked down. Not once, not twice, but over and over again. You've tasted rejection. You felt the sting of failure. Life hit you hard enough to bring you to your knees. But now it's time to get back up. Not slowly, not halfway. Stand all the way up, because this time you're not going back down. This time you're not folding. This time you're rebuilding, not surviving, rebuilding. And you're gonna push through every wall, every weight, every wound. Because life isn't easy. It was never supposed to be. But if you're alive, if you're breathing, then there's still fight in you. What good is life if you're not willing to fight for it? The flesh is weak, but the soul is eternal. And it's that soul that must rise now. Stop waiting. Stop waiting for the perfect time, for someone to save you, for things to get easier. They won't. And they shouldn't, because pressure builds strength. Pain builds character. Resistance builds warriors. A door may have closed in your life, but who told you to wait for it to open? Kick it down. Kick it down and earn your place. Own your place. This is your life. This is your story. This is your comeback. You are the architect. Design your blueprint. Build again. Even if everything was destroyed, build again. Even if you're starting from zero, build again. Reset your life. Reset your mind. Reset your spirit. You're going to hurt. You're gonna feel lost, but keep moving. You're learning. You're growing. And even when it's you versus you, you keep swinging. Because there is no growth without struggle. There is no comeback without setbacks. There is no strength without resistance. So stand tall and start rebuilding. Your mind, your body, your soul. Every brick of pain becomes the foundation of your strength. Every tear becomes the water that shapes your resilience. You don't need permission to rise. You just need the courage to begin. Don't waste time on misery. Don't waste time doubting. Make time to live with purpose. Make time to build what matters. Even when you feel like you have nothing left, give more. Push harder. Rise stronger. They will doubt you. Let them. They will underestimate you. Let them. Because when you stand up and start building again, brick by brick, they'll see what a warrior really looks like. You are a living testimony. You were broken, but you got up. You were down, but you rose. you were lost, but now you're building, and you will not stop. So, lace up, strap in, put your hard hat on, and start the work. The world won't hand you anything. You build it. You earn it. You own it. No more looking back. Eyes forward. Head high. Build with fire. Build with purpose. Build like your life depends on it, because it does. And from the bottom of my heart, keep building, keep rising, keep fighting, and never forget, what must be done will be done. Now wake up and rebuild your life.
And now, Praetorians, visualize yourself beyond the ordinary. If this message has lit a fire in your soul, stay with us. Leave your like and consider subscribing to the channel to receive firsthand our motivational videos and music that will push you, guide you, and fuel your fight. The battle is not over. The war is just beginning. See you in seconds in one of the videos that is appearing on your screen. Remember, weapons change. Warriors don't. Strength and honor